matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more.
So I GN radio na emrena so say legal hour with BWF Solicitors for no emrena asan edubium mesra mo enuanum na adofo frɛ unu ebi frɛ adamfo bi frɛ obi biara ugidi say dwumadi ababedi ebeboa no bomoden na frɛ no ontwen ben ifidie no ye wo Facebook ye wo YouTube afen so ye wo app a obetumi a download wo TuneIn and I say App Store no Ube download wo App Store and I say can I say Play Store, yes. Na wenya yen program I was nyina ubenya yen. Bomodia ye the BWF Solicitors for na edi baby di dwumaidie. Ene emube de pa ne de emube de ankasa. BWF Solicitors metre mo say omo senior partner Mr. Bernard Owusu asisi amia me the doctor na ka ho ama no no. Chese ni experience was dwumaidie mu is over 28 years and counting. Na say ye akwala kra na ye wo 28 years kra to menya na wo na je se wa bin wo mu yie enwumadie wa bin wo mu yie na in and out of all this legal system efa family law hu efa immigration sem hu efa litigation ni dispute sem hu ananse yen krom Ghana law kra no Chese wa bin wo mu yie na ye ka se lawyer mu a next BWF Solicitors for no mo de omori law no omori omomene omoka omodimra omoyomra chese mra no omonim in and out me kan in and out ababy od betu bia no na chese ombehye go wo ama enti enne yenya BWF Solicitors wa ha ye ne omo ba bi di dwumen ena me si emo beye de mo wa adwuma nkete a mo feel say adwuma no enye adwuma bia no hwe afi wei ye say ne ebesi bia o akwemu fa na asemo nyame afi wei nyoma ye nkromu a ye frɛ no home office if you kase nyoma mo de atutu kwemu ema dwumayefo anase opese ofo bi na ombeye adwuma ma no emu da hofia chese emu odeyie na je say nyoma obefa so a obetumi akofa nkrofo abeye adwuma ma no enye de nkra eno ase obetutu nyoma yi nti ene no menya me lawyer wa ha oba be fichiri mu no winsin mu no we chese we biebie mu ama we hu say yo say na o say mre oti ho ana oti wa de so say o say mre nti muntutu anamo na mo be fidie na mesre mo ade ba kwa me pese mo be ya ma me ene manyeti e be ya me de pa ne se mo be share program no ma mo share mo mpiempie na etiko ne nko mo mpia ne nko saa na chese obi biara ensa ebeka bi opia wo WhatsApp na opia wo Facebook YouTube na mo piempia na etiko call a friend na omombeti dwumedi obe feel say ehu ye we nanso no se ne etie no wo kra no obetumi ayo na eyede more dream say you are building a company and you want to invite people to come and work for you. Now this is the time you have to call a friend, call someone, join me on this very show, and I bet you you will not live the same. You live smiling. Yanko ahumane so very good morning to you once again. This is JN Radio and it's Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. My name is always the same. Manyanati. When you call me Manyati, I will still salute you. Good morning, Lawyer Francis.
Yeah, good morning, Manyati. What you mean, ka?
Pacha mete wonka. Banaya no waben we feed ni kakra. Na chese.
Yo.
Mwada ho. Yo. Lawyer Francis, anope yende ni bone. Mema ho kwan na emrene ko no sisi advert na eba etwemu ne nche ya na agye yen beye 7 minutes crafa entino yen koso intemtem na yebedi nkomo mebisa onsempa na chese watutumu amaye na ansa na ebe koso no mema ho kwan na cheche tiefo na adofo ne dodo na ugidi se omu ahoma ne so omutie ye no pachokoso.
Good morning, Manyati, and Morning for yɛda Awurade ase sɛ ɛnnɛ nso efiada ɔde akyɛ yɛn ama yɛba abɛdi yɛ legal education ho dwuma. Daa ne daa nyinaa na yɛsrɛ Awurade sɛ ɔbɛbɔ yɛn ho ban na waka yɛn ho. Mpo baabi obiara wɔ. Na yɛsrɛ sɛ yɛbɛma atiefoɔ de ahyɛ saa program yi. Na yɛyɛ saa education wei a ebi obi bɛfa sɛ media mfa me ho daabi da wo nua te a ɛbɛboa no ɛnyɛ wo nko a na abɛte na wode ahyɛ wo ho wobɔ ho dawuro akyerɛ wo nua ɔwɔ adwuma ne n'asefoɔ a ɛbɛboa ama tem biara yɛasetena a yɛde ti kurom hanom no deɛ ɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ biara no yɛtumi ayɛ why. Yo, Manyeti, Machia etiefo no na de made to us ne say update bi a sheda my but still no coronavirus hun sensem ya traveling yi ehun sem ya na eko nti stress ye bema yetiefo mo mpese omutu kwan ne na sefo no krobia pese okoso bia na wo se wo check omo coronavirus concession and as a coronavirus more emra mudi atuja in terms of say bo mo ho they say we and I say when you have been super so about UK ha or say no so we careful about government guidance now the atuja no because almost say even baby miem to the extent say we do her first now ka utimi coffee for 10 days no quarantine but say the antisa obeko hotel no washo one abetua hotel nika till first 10 days so bibia to year na afede otimi ko fie yo manyeti we na me de ba betuja but we now mo ye ni nyina no de ya me pese me kan say government na hu say death rate ne kosro nti e wo say wo ye hu bibi nti o the measures to bibi sa to ho na minu umienu ye ho ban na obo enye se wo intimidate yen nti ya ye ma ye moa na ye ma ye ndi coronavirus no guidance ni protocol ni so se ne be ya ye life ebe koso akoyi ewo UK Hawaii manyeti yo machieti for and am the update atuja
me da say lawyer Francis me da say sa no coronavirus ne de se ne ekọ sa new strain ya be de ha adwempa na chese unhu symptoms no be ho ansa na be yi ne ho edi no na chese do etiri enti no tiefo mo me yenhwe ye ho so yie na ebia amba ya kwemu yo omo Facebook so no nyina me cheche mo nyina edeni dawson na mesre mo u share I can see that you've shared, so please just share the program for me na yanko Patricia Foster we say from kasa from hwe from Malemo nyamenhra akosia part, thank you so much. Rosalind Trewa also good morning. I'm Augustine Collie, good morning, following us yes from Morovia nyamenhra. Kenneth Kofi Obeng Boatin, good morning to you. Kofi Antuba on board nyamenhra papa yo yes remre lawyer Francis ye be koso no na chese me kasa na shase ye kasa with the introduction of the point based system from this January 2021 yenim say as UK employer no you will need a sponsor license to employ someone to work for you from outside the UK na sa ye de buy potom kasa na sponsor license de bia no na yenim say emrebe no point based system ye what tier 1 tier 2 ne tier 3 ne tier 4 ne tier 5 na ene tier ne yen shada ent ne papa eno ase sponsor license enti no ye kase sponsor license no ene ye be sha ase every ho obetumi acheche ye mu kakra na adebe na yes sponsor license o pese we employ will be from outside the UK na just say atoa mayen ye we adwuma nketenkete ye pese ye employ someone from Yenkromo, of course ye Kromo and ye be invite ye be employ people to come and work for us unless na ye share skill labor in somewhere else, but ye be friend say Yenkromo nti no ye ndi kan kire ye can sponsor license na mpacho ase ne sen
Yo, Manyati, Mida say a biomonso. Say, all days are question at memo say main chichimo. And a biomonso, Mida for us is a mode or mafide at Hanumo. Yo, BWF Solicitors here at Legal Education Nedro. So now the net topic here become was nefa say, oh, a juma ewo krum hanuma. Wa we employer no akwanja ewo ho ma o se upese uko fa obi emane beboa ewo hanomo nti UK aban home office edimra to ho say a free 21st January 2021 ekono dia etia ni say first na nanka free movement obi atimi ba ebeye de so ye ewa hanumo but free movement ni ended 31st of December 2020 no the new immigration policy bi ba ya ye friend point based system. It is our point based system no and a say we employer now person we employ obi a free even honor when you or can say who person will employ be a free you need when you macrom hanuma ube to me aye and now say obi a non EU or free third world country example Ghana, Nigeria, South America ube to me aye but I was say we follow new maybe a business saying first we employer our UK hano I was say we make sure say who will be a friend sponsor licenses. In this sponsor licenses na me say me tremu efa sponsor licenses no ejuma ben na say we ya ansa na wanya sa ana say o pese okọ na akoye oje sa sponsor licenses no sponsor licenses le betimi aye bibia wa we wadwuma wo nkrofo wa say batu hia obi a obese obeboa ebiomu so no ebetimi arane to the extent of say charity organizations no more anokra no betimi apply sa sponsor licenses no no mu de akofo obi every baby a omofo say betimi de edi nipa na ba be join na omo company na kosro inti ehwema enye for profit oriented companies pe charitable organizations so eka ho a betimi apply for sponsor licenses no why inti yeshema sa sponsor licenses no ya chiche mu efa adwuma kra upese unhia omo services inti yenhwe ye breaking it down types of sponsor licenses there ye wo mu mienu na ye wo no eya na edino ye de ato no ene ne ko first one the one say your friend be workers sponsor licenses it is our workers one for omo person omo di obi ba na obe join omo company for long term and the other one they are temporary workers and also bet me apply licenses RJ say bia or your farmer now the farming season bia adrua ohia hansa ombe ti na eduaba na na say ombe cultivate ni mama no in this case no obetimi akofa temporary workers especially Romania other places no mo say omo meboa no mo nya sa nyuma we nti uhwema maka two types of licenses I was say will apply to the home office. Young funny say employer number say, oh, okay. Say me sure me here workers for my juma. Into home office I lay down. You can't workers licenses now. What sort of workers be paying sana who no employer who be here? It be saying who be here skilled workers. And I'm who can no. Ube to me here in Kophobia, what company wa no, ebia we other companies who are branches of companies in other countries. Over to me, I employ for more other countries, I'm on transfer abaha. In this case, near from intra transfer company, so free from one sister company to the other. No, over to me, I apply for sponsor licenses. Send a bear, what is uncle for no, a bet me about or branch or UK Hanomo. Inti, and a biomusono, ministers of religion. Yen nuanuma suffer for a bia or more branch or a bill UK ha, a bill Ghana, a bill ye other countries. Say beyond per se suffer beyond transfer no bahanuma. And also no acquire jaw obeji sponsor licenses. Edia yes idea way na. And ya no kwa usha a biomuswa sports person. Also to me yes sponsor licenses way ni be. Inti my tea, the other person might hear for say, Piano or my creative, sir, a dear way in such a way, say, sponsor licenses in such a way, say, baby, I feel beer will be ano. Ube to me, I apply to the Home Office. Now, because I apply to the Home Office, young share Home Office, they are almost share. A bit saying, almost share a biome eligibility, and a biome almost share be a friend of suitability. Inti young fan mako especially eligibility no because you can say eligibility say OG licenses every home office now beji licenses every home no e was so more access you no mo share say ampa we employer ubetumi agi sa licenses no e dey akofo obi aba na say untimi. Into the Home Office checks are or more say who make his application for sponsor licenses now. Home Office, more background checks, say who company no criminal convention in terms of immigration offenses. Because one of the careful as an employer in such a way say Home Office making sure say wona upe say ukofa obibano. Obepe licenses every year no. Dear yes, you show your immigration history as a company. Why you be paying now? We be paying no. Udi yemrane so. Ubu so. Intininina all these things are checks and balances at Home Office check it. And a biomusu no or more share in such a way say we be paying no. Udi imrano so in such a way say license first near the mao no who making sure say udi imrano so pepe na say ubu so ye revoke ye cause a revocation that means say be am 4-year license na wakodi baby what imrano e dey ma say disu no wa muso ana wa breaki imrano in this case no on bet make say ye revoke your licenses. These are the things Home Office every year check about any employer or per se or and answer obefa obi free and answer obe apply for licenses or they nipa ne beba UK ha abaye na juma. Inti ye share eligibility na suitability all these things almost share who say ampa who qualify and answer ube to me I'm making application for license na say untimi inti yenuanu mo kromanu mo anaso mo omadwuma bia they want to apply say mobile co employ amount for every other countries amount be join omo no. These are the first step I will say we take it. We apply for sponsor licenses but sponsor licenses no Nioma mabubo se fa eligibility ni suitability no. Enu kwa no uwia na omo de mawa. Omo sa make sure say omo de wo share omo system bia ya create ya friend no sponsorship management system SMS. SMS no say ya ji watum say ya ma licenses no. Sa SMS no with daily activities with the employer na wakofa na ba no de say we because hano omo onyoma bebra omo de hwe checks and balances and any employer bia na opese okofo obi ba or you should go through sa sponsor licenses no I was say making sure say nyomba bi e won adwuma mu a we put it in place because the entire makers are no a lot of things you take into consideration but before say home office member sa licenses no omo try and also making sure say things are checks and balances beba are in place.
And only suitability na.
Yes. Okay. Even is saying you can't and I no fall under even sponsorship management rules now. I was say who play no because almost here the answer left him out. Yeah, also on right now this so no who did the answer omode can so. Inti oceans sponsorship management now. One no so we yet sad no. All the time, say who employer who be say who apply for sponsorship license. I was say who making sure say who obi authorizing officer obey sa checks nini na se for no. Enya authorizing officer ne pe. I was say unya obia tembia key contactor oni home office bedding kita home all the time. Say okay, nipa na wakofana ban oya oba adwuma o make sure say ni duty am pese oye no oya na se wonye. Nti these are all the checks now. A far sponsorship management rules no. They try to get into our sponsorship management role now. A year na omo de ma HR for na yes adwuma no. Human resources. Nti they expecting you say as an organization, as a company, now person who go into that level that first you should have HR in your company. So in terms of the management, you know, and tossing. And HR no, ono na obe share na one making sure say nipa na omode na ba no wodi ne visa ne so pepepe. Because problem here about say ebia ye de naba ene oba adwuma echina woni ho ene osi oyare ana say oye we ni ade. All these things are ye nyoma bia they try home office say before say the beba no I was say we mu nyina wo they are two in place in such a way say dachi ba for renewal of your license now yetimia refer through the sponsorship management system now you're creating and we say would the so and I say when the so now obi beka say na lawyer na sa sponsorship license ni asia ade we nya wo kan wansem no bede na metimi apply and I say me am your employer no de be no mo de hwe in terms of sa criteria na me bobo so no before say ubeye sa di we nya no it depends on what type of company are running. So companies the annual turnover it should be 10.2 million or less. And they do also see total assets a what company or no 5.1 million. And I shema either who are employed NIPA 50 or fewer.
Okay.
And these are the basic things the type of licenses are ube to me apply to the home office. In terms of the two ones now makano, a business worker licenses or temporary worker licenses. Because now what prices are and I say fear I will say utia and sana unsaka licenses no. Inti mayati there may be can say for now no. Say utimi apply na bibia to year ye be ma bibia fe no certificate of sponsorship into on that basis no now would the no certificate of sponsorship no a number a reference number near the mount now with their money panel one person employed no not they are making application every chrono one so no about UK hanom abe starting adwuma. Why?
Lawyer, yeah, that's it. Now, senior ucheche mu no, ebi da ho ma me ebi nso no me wo ho nsem kakra ebisa. Sisi ano o hyase na o ka o se ye hwe wo company na wo benya sa license no. Check the company first say wo pay workers license and a temporary license. One. So na temporary license na just say eno na akoye sa seasonal works ibi te say farm na duane na so na che say open nipa dodo bi no ma be bua a harvest omu wia no mokọ eno ne ye one.
Yes.
Enti eno sa yen sha semfre eno sa no se bi na wo ye a eno nso no se wo hwe sa 10 over 10 0.2 na say 5.1 million no mbia say na the whole farm na says we na endu sa na che say untumi apply for such a license ana say usika na endu sa 10 over 5.1 or the 10.2 now you mention untumi apply the license na
Yo mayati me da say enye say eno ni main yi no because once na make no omuka say either this or less.
Okay.
So it less, amane enye say a clause be a chinchina was say we year 10 over 10.2.
Right.
It could be less than that. Why? These are the almost person more access making sure say ampa wo company now we yes are no unim de wo ye.
Right.
So say in case a BB teach man and ya fe na why never be fall into. Why? They just want to give a range for you to know, say, at least, BB saying yeah, pay every one. Why?
Yo. Okay, yen share internet yen free temporary workers no na yen share mbia say no be permanent and say no be worker license na.
Okay.
Companies no mentioning company I know say Ghana for majority. I mean this goes to everyone but because we are in the community until we are talking a bit specific into the Ghanaians and omo pese and say Africans and Nigerians omo pese omo companies omo pese omo employ people from back home na omo be edwuma omo nti yen hwe ohonso no enti no where you said eligibility and suitability no that means the types of company now all running no is or more specific. Could it be any type at an edumebia and also more specific jobs nienti America sa no memfa mbia mirane market. Let me say we all know Kumasi market for instance. I'm just mentioning as an example. We know Kumasi market for instance, or tonton niane ni ade ewo mo a of fankrofo ewo mo na ebi mu nso ejejai. Enti if I should own such a company na me pese me apply for license now workers na me kwa apply, is there any skills that I should look for and sana home office for no ama me sa license na
yo manyati o share me kasa emuna ala o share previous programs na ya beti sesebra some time ago you're talking about that point based system tamana babano.
Yes.
Now the sort of Juma UK airpe ewo omohanumo inti UK MA anti say they need skilled workers.
Right.
They need skilled workers to mount their economy.
That's correct.
So say here umbia owonim dia obetumi apushi UK economy no akonanim. Enti say yemra the community udi Kumasi market aye example. Ebia Kumasi market pese o introduce product bia and now say duane bi won na dwuma mu honuma na say part of the business na obesha minya obi a especially yemra typically ebi a aduane nuamu obi oye expert wo mu on demand na by in such a way say obehia obi a otimi ye aduane kama ama manfo ba beto.
Okay.
Wonya bi wa ha now I apply for license no more catch on so. Ye buy a Ghana in the animal, ye were expert in conform with him.
Okay.
Now, me feel say me picky be free Ghana, a beboami.
Right.
But also, what I say?
Demupa.
Aha, and Tihono and I better apply for license because license now will apply now. They will assess and see why or apply for. First, now, no more you should be your friend residence labor market.
Okay.
And the share say before say wo be fa obi every amanane amana baye adwuma wa ha no wo be say wo apply for license now. There was say wo ye ni say make sure say wa publish it wanye obi a wo UK and
answer yes.
Wa kwa kofa sa nipa naba. But ha no there say because of the point based system now assistant your man no. Omo nya ni say but omo more room for you to say upe say we hear way services.
Okay.
So into only year idea abie opportunity as long as ubetimi aka say oh me wa skills special skills are mitimi ya adibia yes from kono. Etimi ma kwan MOB employer na apply for sponsor license ebe fa free baby a whatever. Why?
Okay, le lawyer, and also I'm them questions, more questions be brain now. Me unse nkrofo edika start frame. Honestly, I've got lots of questions here I would love to ask because our sponsor license nkrofo be brain. Any idea? Because minim say even barbering shop for and mechanics.
Yes.
Yeah. And I know say most of them can apply for this license.
Yeah.
Now to me aqua employ nkrofo free yikromo ediaba. Now kwan on be fashion. Just say they have no idea. And no I say omunim say ye bibi hunchran complicated bi. Na say na wucheche mu na da ho. Mema etiefo ho so kwan. Numbers ID di dwuma ensesa ye 0203-735-8820. And now say 0203-286-0185. Ye wo WhatsApp number so aye di dwuma 077-879-39958. Ba kunu so aye na me de kan ho no so ewo ho 075 966-20154. Ubetumi afre na we bisa but fa say the topic that we are discussing no eno ho chinchina eno ho question also bisa. You can ask any question across board, being it immigration, family law, litigations, any Ghanaian law. Bet me bisa any type of question at all. Into dudwana na efre na me kati mono. Maybe telephone lines. This is here. But maybe telephone lines. No na mube to me afre. Afen so no. Say ayembia ufre na. Obi jina so dada eya no wenya abotre kakra e de amame ni piki call na ya nya abotre kakra na sana se lawyer explain bibia eya no wenya abotre kakra e de atwen no wie ya na fe mama won so wakasa na ayefe enti no ye di edwumedie no ye de to aso yo lawyer yensan hwe bibio because mpese me ba form chese me ba ya ayemu no yemfa say me wo barbering shop nso because why of course why explaining process no na sikana o mention nso na anko scan crofobia me yemfa ni say me wo barbering shop na of course me employer me kwa kwaji license na people that they have the skills in cutting hairs and I say hairstylist near the ade enti no se mbia me shop yi nipa be mienu bi ana miense pe na ewu mu no do I fall within the eligibility and suitability? Do I fall within? And as or say me map shop ni ye kese bi na my employer nipa duduo bi ana wo can you say CEO wo secretary human resource those kind of thing human relation now obu boy no just a common barbering shop. Do I stand a chance of becoming a sponsor, getting a sponsor license to invite someone to come and work for me?
Yeah, Manyati, good question because I know that all looking down on the sole trader bit and how they can fit in the sponsor license.
Exactly.
Yeah. Osha Home Office or more embrano about sponsorship license now. It doesn't matter, say, who barber shop now, would the things, would the new mato acquire, would the acquire new money ye in such a way, say, so no more say, or who say, yes, would the new money to ye and send ye to me the license amount. Obi or her in future barbering shop, one who say, the business need grow. A bet me I can say. Inti fine, obepo obi obe managing the business in Amano. HR bebem, all these things will put in place. Because one of the things Home Office look into it na sponsorship management role no. A play role power was before say the license in the no. Because the entire makers say obi or how say me a sole trader. I didn't know me to me kofa obi fine over to me. But udi oba who was sponsorship management role no to play for Home Office who say yes I did not. Because the reason being is omo ye way no to manage immigration. Inti say work for obi aba na wutimi managing na. What is the point, say, the license in the mount? Into these are the things, who was having your money in place? Now we are barber shop, we are sole trader, baby, I will be ano. Ofu say, ube to me, I'm managing the panel or the panel by creating that sponsorship management role. Obi and see who can say apply for sponsorship licenses. Why?
Okay, so in that case, before I ask the next question, maybe sir we answer. In that case, when you put that the sponsorship, sponsor management role, no, do I have to put it in like a business plan B now or more when they request now I can show them say yes, these are my system. I put in place how I can check my workers when they come, how I can monitor them, their day-to-day activities. No, is this something like that? You present it. I mean, like mom, we have business now. They know everything on plan, everything on paper. Is it something like that? And it might sound a bit down, kakra, but
no. You're right to ask these questions because sir, you educate amount for now. Yeah, mama, what is entail?
Exactly.
Who apply for sponsor license now? Who form now be filling online application.
Okay.
Or mobile more aware say or mobile create system be a friend of sponsorship management system SMS.
Okay.
A online thing only Home Office be communicating.
Right. Okay.
So indeed. Answer na on the license in the Bemano. On Mobile where say you're going to use the SMS. Ma creating. Into what pinia now you the license amount. And no SMS, you have to feed Home Office with some data inputs. Ebini say the daily activities of the migrant now akofana. How much do you pay the migrant? This month, Utrian is saying. Into all these are the information you have to input into the SMS system all the time. Into our system, no. Now, yes, sir, when you Home Office, I won't get a all the time. Into our marker, sir, I was saying, be a key contact person or be handle SMS, program, no. Into HR nebe decide say, oh, you be pay obi a tembia no on ebe obegina yadwuma any Home Office anemu a say tembia no obe call omo site na sponsorship management system no to feed them with the information about the migrant na yakofana.
Right. Oh, I see.
Why?
Internet just say we're online, so every time you just have to feed the system with the information. Edemu pa lawyer medasi. Yen Sambra, the numbers that you can call. Yes, somebody is asking if you can ask a question on Facebook. Well, at this point, I really don't mind. If you do, I'll read it and send it to the lawyer to answer it for you. So you can go ahead and do that. Lawyer Francis, show you can say one say license no senior now can share them who say so in any case anytime you want to employ people do you have to apply again or when you apply once now when your certificate now that's it anytime you just give the person the what do you call it, the certificate number, when the person is coming, filling the form back home, now or the access because you've already been granted the certificate, and you have the number. As I net here, and I say, Debiano, anytime I'll be able say, Ubekwa kofa ubifufra, and I say, then you have to apply again, Mpacho, ube to me a chicha honika kramae.
Yo, once I make I say, there were two types of way licenses, no. Yamfa way worker license no worker one no so I know your long term say obe employee obi oba akofa ni panaba in this case who apply for that license now and lasted for 4 years and 4 years who 10 bia say bia menya way me pese me kofa ni ba the number of employees now, obeso okofo mobano, and see but within that 4 years, a mile quite my way the SLE. Yo, share temporary one, normally a mile up to 6 months because a temporary job, no. No, say be a mihiani per 50 within the 6 months, ube to me akofo maba. Because the entire make it away and say, Maneti. Edu baby a wo no the employer no obetuatua sam sika bi
okay at the home office right
yes application fee ni nasifo ni ade no immigration surcharge nipa na akofa na ba no nti se usika be so nko ade a anka kwa wo ma anka me church how our home office sa application fee no esitie
okay.
Because I breakdown in such a way, sir. Nipa ba ko wan hwe ya we end up paying about 5,000. Ewo nipa na akofana ba no.
Or say I can't answer, but young queen kakra or say I can't because yes, send your bear and young crowd say oh yes at the hockey but
akwaja obi azu kwai because adi when you free ukofa na there be home office or mo fa bibia nchesa. You have to pay for application fee, immigration surcharge, and then as for. Into our licenses now, obviously, the number of people are betting me a form about. But I know what she seek assembly woman. Sir, we find the pattern. How much is it going to cost you? Why, Maneti?
Sir, and a big deal. Once you've got a company now, you think you can extend your wings to employ people from outside the country, and then you're not always car to do that. So what you know, and say how dear mean shada nye to say Miss Roka but mean did say for ewo who sa quenya no yo yan share yan kwenim na mess na metie for me call some more him you can call 0203735820 and as a 0203 2AC0185. We have 2 WhatsApp lines that you can also call. And if you are calling from outside, back we are 077 879 39958 or the other one you can call 075 966 20154. Just give us a call. You might have a question. Yes, of course. It could not be related to this particular topic, but any topic bia o person ubisa no a point wo hwa obetumi ebisa. Obi the question be amane me na
manage you person me you run it through fee na
You running drunk, bear me then. Now, obi ebisa me question. Person me re befi, because or the about me phone is here na, and also can't win ho. Before you be trawa no, but you be koso. The question, no, okay, let me just put it down. Lawyer Francis, yes, yen call fee breakdown on that afide yen share ho so.
Yo, sure, me ma a typical scenario. Young fan is all running business. Business now all running on. In such a way, say, Omoka China Casa. Purposely for Chinese community.
Okay.
And in this case, you know, ten be a woman no. Omonte, and I say China for no a bow more, or mobile business, you know, a better and as some be yes or more. Yes. But because I won't take us, no, it would make it say, okay, I was a me employ Obia or teach Chinese casa.
Okay.
But so far, a better say, me employ any free China ever.
Right.
So, in this case, you know, who apply for sponsorship licenses? In the sponsorship licenses now, a bet cost you 536. Now, certificate of sponsorship, you know, I cost you £199. Because certificate to apply was Utriaka. And a biom because onukuta skills be our day back romano. Obetua be a friend immigration skills charge. And only 1,820. No asaba betua because all baby stay hand my jumano. Definitely obey you to IHS. In the charge, you know, IHS multiply by say be 3 years no baby dear. Near multiply by current IHS, you know, and that figure roughly about 2,000.
Okay.
Now application fee no one's application be make no. No 2,002.
Nipa kwa oya ba na se wa na obetua wa ha.
That be who employer no.
Okay, when our sponsor no, yes, so you have to pay. Yeah.
You have to pay for who application now. When you say just sponsor license now no.
Right, okay.
Into who they no betua in all no shema you be about 5,755
for one person. Okay.
For one person. But in Tianina, me say when no employer no super say sikano betua o kano. Does he worth it? But I don't think that if it doesn't worth it, I'm going to me employ. Well, if you be a obano. In this case, when the employer no be share this sikano. And no any paba ko. And na say wo ba emrano ma ho kwan say so wo kunu a wo yire a wo betimi de o maka ho.
Okay.
In this area waka say o mi kunu wa ambese me de ne ka ho. Na eno no ne employer no asem hwan na betua say sika no. Ebi a mefa bi no afa bi. Ebi so beka say no fasa aka ni nyina. So
there be a man tiase. Be san chechem ho bi mame. O say ohono sika no mo ubeche woni ukuna na se u ne we yire na beche sa sika na ohon pacho mantiase.
Woni we employer no
okay.
The oba be found no because obetua sam sika ni bi.
Of course.
But me ka say whereby say ukunu be ma wo ne be found no yan fan say Chinese ni no o be ma.
Okay.
Me yire obeka se me nja me yire wo China me be so wo ka ho ni eba.
No.
Ye wa akola nso a o se me fa akola ne me be se me di akola ne ka ho no ba. Inti sa aka ni nyina no hwan ne bebo.
Me yanka ni ye. Hwan ne bebo sa. Na just say employee na or employee.
Yeah.
Maybe we more, but when you look at it, even though it sounds a bit new, it's not new. It's been there. So when there no because you who Chinese if we ubeko omo de bia mo no omo kofa nkrofo employ mo from back home Ubehu Indian fwe, ubehu Pakistan fwe, omo no mo si so mo, but ye buy ye mo. Is it the money that is the problem to me enko fan crofon embano? So one dear no. Yesikano.
Yeah. Ushama and also play part for because once I didn't know make us say yen shesika sem no bait no because na a chichi almost sign but I was say you do say benefit ben ye benya free or more so obey adwuma amount obechi customers amount into which say ono no per head no sika odi beba I didn't know uncle fanny man on my company ne enkosro.
Okay.
And at the same time, who ye krana, who de boa unia, the community you are in, who de boano, and yes, intika say I was a different tribe now, and I said different obi a different country, but instead of self who say unia Ghana ni what that skills, obet me a boa company. Why don't you go for them? So I give and take. It's not easy that way. As an employer, at the same time, employee, I ever found. Why?
You, no, I can say employee no or bar now then the year back on any bar. Nina sponsor no on also tiahuka, and I say and yes sponsor no also tiahuka. I mean, under it says I mean in the discretion of the home office, and yes, sometimes I know say yet to me internal arrangement, but for the purpose of legal way no, a sponsor no. Eka anase enye sponsor neka Lawyer Francis.
Yo, Usha Mawansa na make a choice say Samsi Kabiwa only sponsor no be agree on that. So
eno no but make say home office eni so no why na say a chia sa sika ni nyina.
Usha home office eni so ono nim say who apply nipa na who apply for license no ono na ese otua sa aka no.
Okay yes. Yes. Yo ofre from my first caller on the line. Good morning ofre from Pacha o kase friend na ye frɛ o sen.
Me Pacha good morning. Pacha me kase from London.
Yo mami Pacha ye wa ha koso na bisa wasem.
Pacha no pese me bisa lawyer say mini mikuno me ye uni na me wari mikuno na nanka mikuno eye adwuma hospital nti oyene bika eti nanka me pese me ntine fie share nkra na nanka no ni adwuma because they have a problem with kakra nti me bisa say in the future ne se mikuno ko renew the documents ebe tini affect na me na me ye uni na me wari no ebe tini affect na
La friends Pacha what nenga.
Meti bina mejebi ebi amayi.
Okay, mami sorry Lawyer Francis auntie ni nyina obetumi abonite obi mama yen.
Mani raising the voice kakra wa me Pacha.
Okay. Me Pacha na me busa say me ye uni ana me worry me kuno. But your baby ana ntema me ntimi nye adwuma. It made me to feel no only ye juma. It made me be such in this case and say emret to say to or renew no year indefinite na a bad affect me because me to feel na me a mother. It's me a full-time mother no kwane ko juma. Let me be such a bad affect na.
Okay, Lawyer Francis sir Ohanwate.
Yeah, Mate asie. Yo, Osha ye mano before free movement eba na wie na nanka uko renewer omushe bibi e friend no regulation says qualified person I was say yiye ni no or your worker or your self-employed student work comprehensive insurance and job seeker and others but after the free movement we introduce you appendix EU being the EU settlement scheme so who ye anubia and share bibia your friend qualified person what they are and notion is say a share bibia your friend say or your resident in UK for the last 5 years.
Okay.
So In this case, so renew not 1 year application no, under EU settlement schema. The American said the last 5 years, not to Cromana. If you want to make good data, no indefinite. But young should be beside in future. Biana ukunu person acquire naturalization. How na to me use against unknown application? He said that time now we you no 1 year juma. From this point to that. So because naturalize this is where one shot say in future when you're indefinite not correct naturalization now a bit me a creative problem. Why?
Me picture you into it's a meeting me even 4 hours crana DB just along the way.
Yes, for the benefit sir of person naturalized to become a British citizen.
Okay. Me picture.
And yes sir I was and therefore we no indefinite why?
Indefinite picture you Matia. That's the lawyer.
Oh, yes, that's a mammy, Nyamisha. Lawyer, obi ebisa question bi o Facebook ni so na me kan masere kakra. Or see, okay, but what if you spend all these costs to employ someone back home? Na the person aba na fe de say okay, na nipa ko ne dwane oba Nembia obey adwuma 1 2 bi ma wa no dwane ya de na o se oye ana de na obetumi aye
yo say talking about licenses no me bo bibi ema we ya we say ye free bibi sponsorship management role so because no na ya who say home office use no as a checks and balances because what the waba what journey because sir SMS no system no talking about what dress baby will be it is a no employer now wakofana ban what journey first thing report the thing to home office.
So exactly. Him and the other girl.
We're joining there, you report it, Anna.
That's it. In the report here, home office will may say why you would duty.
Okay.
By reporting to the rest, leave it to with the home office. And yes, sir, that you call Okofo by because was a Nipani journey, One
go against you makes sense. Yes. Oh, of course, it makes sense. Yo, ya wonderful so ahomane so. Hello, Colampacho, free near Frozen.
But me free me thinking.
Yo, Papa.
Tell me Moses.
Yo, chia lawyer near uncle.
Lawyer, if I try to common travel area between Irish and UK citizens after EU Withdrawal Act. And I feel so blue hand in class not Okumu Irish near or Tia Juma. What's me? That's why our yes is here, man. After EU, Withdrawal Act 2020. No,
the casa is, but my name's out here.
Yeah, Mete, Moses Mete, why? Now, Moses, I'm careful, I want to say.
You know, the more Bible.
Moses, we have a first question now. Irish one, thank God, sir, Ubo BWF no common travel area. That means why your research here, why are there? It is EU settlement scheme. And I said, you introduce EU settlement scheme, no? Yes, see, Irish for any quite say, or mobile EU settlement scheme, Libby. So, what UK ha? Emrani interest in China was so maybe. Into a more say British for or what or take Hanuman. Into the end say, Sir Irish ni ebetina Hanuma. Sir EU settlement scheme na hard drain and I say she will be near preset to dinner say for now. Emrani can't say when you be. But sir opeso akofa obi anase wa ware ne ho kafo yemfa ne se Ghana wa ware obi wa Ghana no opeso akofa ne ba Emra yebe use no immigration rules. Yebe can say or apply for entry clearance as a spouse of a person settled in UK, being an Irish person. Into obe go through some procedure no by making sure say omit for requirements. Ebi ni saying I was say omit financial requirement 18,600. Ebiom so I was say omit relationship requirement. I was say omit accommodation requirement. And a nipa ni akofana ba no I was say omit English language requirement. Into these are the requirements obe fall under immigration rules. Or the back of fat, the hunka for Ewa Ghana, Amana Becano. Why? Moses.
I'm talking about Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland. Naka me say Republic one day. They say apply the EU law, though. You can work with there, but I'm not stick it to the EU laws.
I make us say and be change because common travel area no. UK for any more Apama or more allow them to do that.
No, because 86 years, Sabe Munya, Yemen Nakakra. 86.
Say, and no, be you so way UK Emra, who you so you Mra.
But 86 earnings. 86 earnings. Say you previously, I saw free EU. Now 18,006 apply to them. If nothing has changed, then it shouldn't apply to the Republic of Ireland.
Your analysis is good, but to this extent, we are no more using the free movement again.
Okay.
Directive 38/2004 no. And no, a season a trap by 31st of December 2020. So into your news sa way in the free movement ananka emugo a utimi kofa uyesa no eba no. Why?
Oh, I'm say or they are too so. Yo, yewo odofo bi nso wa ha. Na ansana mema na kasa no mpacho wow na ma ye 3845 no. 1 minute ansana obeka question bi da me ni ma che. Obi ne nkrata ya troso indefinite leave to enter. Now no so the pay juma so the pay juma na because ya tron like a stamp na boom keke enye ticket and sa stickers ni bi and a boom no so the pay juma na employers no omu hu ni sa because maybe sa no say indefinite leave na me so indefinite leave to enter it meaning difference a wom la Francis or the hwe adwuma ebe ha adwen ana say or say onya bibi kan wansa na or the akopa adwuma
yo maneti sa issue we and also we idea higher community ni pa manka na beboa sa okofa yemfa ni say oba ana say bibia say nipa no oba no wanya settlement dada aya no my friend say sticker of Viet no omo de bought the passport ni mu.
Yes.
Now omo de bought the passport ni ma o ka say I don't know what indefinite dada. Into why say aya na create problem.
Okay.
The problem is employers no ever say since I introduced biometric resident card and as a permit omo expect say I was so be akutabi.
Okay.
Into problem is or the corporate juma employer and beka say although me who indefinite wo passport mu no me pe say o ma me biometric resident card.
Okay.
But imrane makwan mo yesa employer need new right to say omo be busao say for biometric resident card bra. But I community in Beka so Germany ka me ankotwe ade ningu card so na yemfa nkoma omo.
Right.
So
okay. Interno san de ko hwe man employer na so man hu the law na e kono. But the problem e wo ho ne say eno no woni old book mo e na wakoye book fufuro. Nti maybe sa no see book fufuro ya yen Ghana passport fufuro say eno ye biometric. Nti fa all kan me so enye no na ye dey hwe
biometric. Viet no. But the passport na wu the best thing is one trim free old passport no fanko card so why
papa yo o see ye be ginisika na ye yes transfer na ye £500 inti your lawyer what cheche mu me da say
save you from the employers chasing you and I say unya jumani bi nya kra because
exactly
employers HR they don't know omuni mimrano omuni immigration mrano they no need him say I was say the card bana me de ema wajuma it is said that so book no man ubeka said they want to say that why
no yo odofo a unama end 3845 Mr. Wuna edo so your friend say na o kasa friend
Patrol within the Felicia good morning Miss Refi UK here
yo mpacho tia lawyer na yenko
Patrol me was send the kakra na madrin so me back home Hanamo on the 1st of April that was 2019 na me uncle matine mu for 2 years now na me uncle ye yuyi ni opese oji asetina ma me okrum ha se na me bisa se enye bia me ya problem bi wo ha me face na say we because of my uncle nti
okay la Francis
me ba cho ma me bisa asetina be no de ba kroma
ba cha asetina be no de ba kroma
Pacha visit.
Visit to Papa.
Pacha.
Yo, I don't know say bia ye born who the no te ya. Say who of a person use to mawa obey extended family. And extended family no. After free movement being 31st December 2020 no. And a home office 83 ho. Until from 1st of January 2021 no aircon home office say who apply the extended family unya sitina because in Arabia ni wa ebebo hu by from that 1st of January 2021 aircon until the ba who situation na oba wa betina almost 2 years. I was saying who apply before 31st December 2020 no. It is say dear, who person who use to offer a kind of be any home why?
Okay.
I am ya ade ya bohu de rosa say em fanko tumo before even no the tumo 10 krana who submit na kwa still a be adwuma na we dear sister me sorry why uka wasem na shemi pa nanka 2 years na nyina na ode to one you could have done something about it enti no yo ya wodofo bi nso wa homa ne so na afa me nka me text messages nso kakra hello kola mpacho wa homa so free na efra osen macho wa homa ne so mafa hello mpacho otemenka La Metinen Council, La Francis. Hello, Mpachawa, Ahomane, so Otemenka. Okay. Say, or they are tusso. Yo, yeah, share. Menia, Auntie Mercy, say, good morning. My husband works in health and social care. He is on 2.5 leave, LTR 10 years route. He filed in the form of bro funayana mo yanisa ma min tron ze na min kan ze na metiase. Okay, he filed in the form for reimbursement of his IHS in September 2020. Up till now, he has not heard anything or received the money. There is no contact details to get in touch with them. What must he do? Thank you, Lawyer Francis.
Me ba jo da be no si o file no. Me
File no 20 September 2020.
Okay, September 2020. Yo, o share there ohima yi kan opese oye anase opese o chere se ni kunu ekuta 2.5 oye adwuma health and social care na maybe Tama covered by I think the last year, yeah. Boris Johnson Becca said, Obi our health sector bia NHS bia no. Now who live near limited ewo krom hanuma. Uko renew who live na yeah na utia for home office fee IHS na. Yeah very funny IHS na ma. Inti sa adeɛ we ɔka ama home office to mu sɛ okay yɛbɛyɛ inti somewhere September no mu a file ni deɛ no ɛna home office ebie to mu sɛ okay you can come for refund na ni September no according to our guidance na nka ɔse within 6 months ɛwɔ obiara nya ne sika inti September October November December January February March into 6 months in the ma endui but one train near share enkosi 6 months say omubetua to move back or mind you can communicate through home office or health desk or now what you say this is a problem now how can you go about it why
Nancy sa sentence yi contact how to contact them where ye free or show online now and one say information go but contacting them na kwaya asem ye be hwe yo ya wodofo bi wa homa so hello kolampacho waba BWF Solicitors legal hour so ye fra say na okase free hello papa pacho ye fra say na okase free
Pacho ye fra me I okase free Coventry
yo papa pacho chia lawyer na bisa wa asem ne anko
lawyer no chow ene anope that's so ene echichimo na ode mai lawyer
I me da say me jo so
me question is obi aye EU spouse aye settlement visa aye bi na say ko ba say home office ka say momrambe ye home office ka say o best send o marriage what do you call it
interview
no ho asem no na person mo say ho no na be ko say
wa bo
me ba so be so hu dey am invite you for marriage interview no
say e be ko say ho no e be ko say
yo ai ade usrana
maybe they say ho abo na
ai kenyem first no o share marriage interview na omo eya enukra na ehu chen say de na eya far better no
okay
first na nanka omo de obeka cho say woni oba no momra Liverpool na yembe interview they say crowd e baby awo no omo try say omo bepa omo branch bi na wakọ na omo video and also more screen bia woni nipa no by your interview no or Liverpool no interview so enti enya de ye hu na first na uko face your mo at least I am sincere na for no but I the make a on say omo questions on bebusa no it's about the relationship enti bibisa ba munsua na munhu mo ho well because on betimi abusa ukno ni din the saying ukno onuaba ukno our ne ma me your friend is saying so these basic questions ne ya nyoma bi a wo say unhu
until lawyer we dey me twa no me redirect from say once you have completed and returned the questionnaire back to us we will be in a better position to progress and determine your application. That's a questionnaire. They will send us a questionnaire. I don't know.
I did not make can say quite the my and flexible. Ukra dia unya questionnaire to fill it up. Yanka sabra.
Okay, questionnaire different from interview. Okay.
Yeah. Inti unya questionnaire o fill in the kama. No keep a copy.
Okay.
So inti and I'm making sure say information I would have to questionnaire no unim.
Okay.
Ubehu na ohuka phone so ya aware inti say bi omu change your mind no mu pese omu for interview mo kwa na aye so easy amamo. Why?
Okay, me da se pa nyame show.
Yes, yeah, that's it, Papa.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Enti no senior Omar na obi gina so but say ode ato so. Lawyer Francis, obi di we information tin bia breme say or pay clarification. Mu we it's all about traveling and COVID-19 measures here. Home Secretary Priti Patel the abeto ho no. Na wa se menya kola bia let's see the time na yenhwe. Okay, memfa kola we na menhwe se metumi aka ne quick na ye kwana. Yo wa na ma ye 6848 no mpacho mafa wo call no ye fra wo sen na o kasa frɛ he.
Hello, Marty. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Lawyer Francis, good morning. Pacha from Mata, because of you here.
Yo, Papa.
Good morning.
Application. Na omo blame questionnaire se be fair. Now my fill echo. Na blame bisa lawyer say after so be fill echo no. Obe to me answer. I'm to me for interview na say ono so fill kwa ebedu enase answer na what respond the for more. But masa man person bisa lawyer Francis no.
Okay, I think it looks similar to the first question. Yo, lawyer Francis.
Who share who had questionnaire the amount no failure. First na before say COVID na enyam ebebano na ya oko omo invite o na one ohuka for Marco Liverpool na omako ye interview. But because of the COVID-19 Oma change almost style of doing the interview. Ebini saying Oma send you a questionnaire. It is a questionnaire niba now filling a comma or the call back. Omo be analyze the questionnaire no. Na bibi wo ho no montiasia. They wouldn't mind say ombet me after telephone so no my your interview. And now say they will call you say bra for interview. So Omufu say we are okay with the questionnaire now. They will go ahead and make the decision without further delaying. Why?
Yeah, hello. Minim say ni line na cut there, but me jidi say obetim. Pacho also. Hello, Pacho also.
But yo Mate.
Yo, yeah, that's.
Pacho Mate.
Yo, yeah, that's why. Okay. Mpacho wa homa landline is so no. Ye fra say na okasa friend.
Mpacho mia.
Pacho anewa.
Okay. Good morning, Manyati. Good morning, Lawyer Francis.
Morning.
Ye fra me mama. Na me pase asem bi na mpese mbisa ye fa asem ya moka ya ho say obi employer e de obi ba say scanner wo si obetua no me fa say so oba be di 3 years no tua say scanner afi bia obesa tua na so obetua no ba akopɛ
em say ba kwa ye Lawyer Francis
Yo mami dia tia ne say obe tua ne ba ko ena dia eno ne ye say wan tua untimi ma Inti sa bia wo de no wo ne nipa na oba be fa na ba no say me pese wo be ya adwuma meje 3 years amount inti ya work IHS no fine obeka to say IHS wo na obetua because say wo yare a one akọ de kwa show inti sa sika na wo say making it ready and say na the visa na ma
yeah
Inti usika ni nyina na ese utua no, ese utua ansa. Enye se afa waba ena oba betua there be why
Mate. Na me pa chance o the 3 years in mawa. E sande a obetena mu. Ana no ya besa ma wako.
Esa ebesa ebegina wo employer na okofa oba e no. Obetumi renew amount.
Okay.
So here we services are obe renew amount. Oh here obeka say me no we contract ninti go back.
Sa go back. Eh. Mate. Me me dance. Oh yeah, fine.
You hono emo aden say nemre aso dey also come back na say 3 years no nyame ya na dom na o ahoden a obetumi aye adwuma kra brusa 5000 no ma me
okay adwuma ni de obetumi aye na nipa okay me musa ni ye okay set am wom because nipa no wo book a me fan say free Europe no da bi na eba na so okuta ne book a still na obesa ko maybe you could passport to a free Spain or free Germany, no could say German passport, but 3 years I still now Besako. Yes, okay.
My Osha said I am running here. Nipano the point based system neighbor. Or one far say or the EU there neighbor. Because what trauma 31st in upper home. Into this time, once I make a me introduce you, then make her say, or more or move to me, and also more folly under sir, where employers sponsorship you for after 31st of December 2020 no. Or more you bet me a for maba because no one yeah na adwin so beba UK ha. All ben in a jumenti no about and yes or betina.
Baby.
Aha, inti sa adwuma no say na esi odi so. Why?
Yo.
Inti na adwuma no wie pe e wo so
ko. Yo.
Aha.
Yo.
So lawyer yatinto hona mienu ida so ko ana renew the license ne
you the man
now renew so do you have to pay that kind of money again
my tea where are they
renew at that time no home office change your policies yearly it could be today extra
okay
into on that basis no emra wo ho no ene e be use
why use amount yo mate
you
mama tea where are they nyame kira pa
so me that's mama yo sane yo no yemre ne yaso quickly question idea dosu just say wa posting me leaflet ne mo nyina idea aba but enam say nkrofo dodo na tu kwan a ebedi abo mo ntino lawyer Francis menka ne quick na or call site no. The measures announced today include for those wishing to travel out of the UK. Edosun, Lawyer Francis. Also on Tiasie, and say, honestly, I send your doors. I'm share time, no, so we have just about 2 minutes to go. Okay. Declaring reason for traveling. Anyone who does not have a valid reason for traveling will be directed to return home and may face a fine. Mr. M say, my main kind the last bit there now they buy, you know. I say manage isolation in hotels. This will be for those seeking to enter the UK. Now say no say who took my mommy. You say you are traveling to Ghana next month. And you know, when for those coming in. So main kind second one, increase police enforcement. There will be an increase when you know sweetheart mefro na me ama chechu mu ama why because it purposely for those coming in, not for those going out. They only sending by engineer omo go out there no so ewo honum. So I'm very sorry. I can't continue reading now. Now it's just about 1 minute per 30 seconds per those of us listening to us on TuneIn. No, I'm sorry. The program has come to an end from here. But those of you on Facebook and YouTube, we might have just 5 more minutes for lawyer to give us the last information before he leaves. But then let me read this quickly. Lawyer Francis, please. I say please. So at the moment, if you have overstayed, you can't do proxy marriage with EU citizen anymore. The question on our Facebook, so Lawyer Francis.
Yo, my tea, I'm sure the Emranica before 31st December 2020. Then I can efa a warrior obey efa say. What share you need upeso worry no? Yo, dear Tiani say Home Office my year in Tiasia say upeso oye you need who come for and I say upese muye awaria. I was a relationship no I was before 31st December 2020.
Okay.
It is our banner cast of a proxy marriage or the Kotuma Mfa. Because first thing, I don't know time about marriage or not the back. Certificate will show say at least I feel before 31st December 2020. In this case, Imran Chino. Why?
Sorry, Mewaha, and now we're in a perform. Or see, please, does UK accept proxy marriage from Kenya? Kenya.
Kenya for why?
Okay, that's fine.
I know they mean to me, yeah.
Okay, and then the last question on the Facebook, my question, can I still do the EU settlement?
As a what? Because over had that my main choice EU settlement scheme no application is in the city. Emrani say now uwoha 31st December 2020. Ebia uye EU ni abusia uye EU ni abusia no being the family member now ukuta resident card ukuta permanent and now say ukuta year family permit afenu aba akwanja up to June 2021 say or say we EU settlement scheme no it is all because say can I do na we EU ni abusia na say we EU ni udika wa hadada before 31st December 2020 utimi answer these questions still no akwanja say obey EU settlement scheme no why?
Okay. Yo, and Lawyer Francis, Facebook for we have before you give us the last message. Nipakono esa attestis opamacho or pese lawyer no explaining. Well, for the benefit of those of you traveling, lawyer my main kind quickly na yenko or see for the measures announced today includes for those wishing to travel out of the UK. Point 1, declaring reasons for travel. Anyone who does not have a valid reason for travel will be directed to return home and may face a fine. The reason for travel will be checked. And only first one. Point 2, increased police enforcement. There will be an increased police presence at ports and airports, fining those in breach of the stay-at-home regulation. Anyone without valid reason for travel will be redirected to return home and may face a fine. And then lastly, reviewing traveling exemption. The list of travel exemption will be urgently reviewed so that only the most important and exceptional reasons are included. Entino or see o tu kwan akọ Ghana next month na adema ya kan ase etreseng.
Yo manyeti o sha 27th of January 2021 and our Home Office and Department of Health and Social Care and Department of Transport policy policy ni said they want to toughen our border control so that a bit protect your public health i.e. being the coronavirus pandemic. Because our daily review omo ye ne chere say ade no kwa na ekosro upon the vaccination in asifo no.
Yes.
It's about time say omo used to hard measures ebema ade na kofom. Just 2 days ago and omo did the mame aka eba
okay.
Say try other measures, other means no still ade no kwa na ekosro. It is about time yesade foforo eba.
Right.
Ebi ni saying also making sure say ufri ufie na wo pese utu kwan. I was say have a tangible reason. And yes sir, empower the police omo sawo neko back to ufie.
Ebe you.
Yes. Because omo will say I didn't spread it. It is about time say omo making sure say nyoma betu to ye in such a way say and call anymore. Because I feel sorry for Boris Johnson.
Yeah.
Why the SO so still no. Into these are the things I fed the one who said because sir hotel they say Australia more and in New Zealand more implemented that in long time
ago, yes.
Oba fine. Kotiaka the hotel for 10 days. We are okay. Kofie. In this case, one fan could spread it fear for.
Yes.
Inti measures or my try or my union or my canning album so still no. I don't call an air costume. Coronavirus air costume. I'm for
Pa.
Oh, inti one person which I said no. I was say you did tougher measures. Ampa and see her. Say I don't think I would too kind. It was a men kokasa me ko holidays. And Obeka to say, yeah, my won't go back to VA.
Yeah.
In some way, no, they are trying to make sure say I didn't know about form and spread it and conanim. Because Mitimus they say I didn't Jeffrey, I Geomusem. Until they don't know what to do next. Sir, I was said these are the measures they're trying to put in place. So I know somebody said Ebeko for mana because now schools in the crowd now more home study, you know. It get to a stage in Kolani you're fed up. Teachers you know so you're fed up.
Yeah.
It's no percent even February half term or muba. And I say no, but Jones is in no company. So these are the things they are trying to put in place no more because initially time I started January Nanka or no anticipate say half term February in Kolani Beko school. But the last week here for didn't pay any mono. One who said no. Say here. That's it. Also so new masubu. In today in day out, the review how to tackle this pandemic back. Now rather unfortunate say last 2 days the tougher one about. Say you have to give a reason.
Reason why.
That's it. Otherwise you can't go. Why?
Okay. Yo. Lawyer Francis wacheche mufa atoho coronavirus hard pa even just last was it 2 or 3 days ago adamfo ba ko minim so benim na 7 sisters hona we Uncle John's
yes,
bakery Steve sorry Sam in fact
why nya me die yankopon fa ne crazy
Rantie kama say corona china ma that just corona no mbu obia u chale obia it no adofo on that note no we've come to the end of today's session say na yemfa dodo na enka ho those of you who were able to share my program on the Facebook no so nyame nhira me bo abrante ni dinama me mood assistance here. Sorry about that. Yes, so Samuel Tobet, thank you for joining us. But we've come to the end. Bernard Siama, Unsu Nyamenshra, Alex Ose, Nyamenshra, Dora Ata, Nyamenshra, Moa Mobile Facebook, Nesunyana, Nyameni YouTube, Nesunyana, Nyame Enshra Mona next week, same time. No, Yabesen Shia. Please, before Lawyer Francis will bring his last note to us, no. remember, COVID-19 is real, is out there. It's taking people's life. Don't be a victim. Nyama or say would it to akwemwa ebema ho aye den no na wa fight no bomodia na ye please one thing bia me obia me ta kokrumpa nti no na just I come in contact with a lot of people, but what I also do nyame adom meka se nyame adom eboa me no bomodia sa steam inhaler no mo betumi a anope bia we don't mean every day cry every other day no bomodia inhale this thing. It helps in a way because according to few doctors amini o makasa no eboa intimo inhale enso share no sa yenkromo epumu se upun no inhale we dey unya bucket cry o pe any chance bia enso na ehuna na we dey butu hune so akata we to kakra be between 5 to 10 minutes no it helps me gidi say eboa enti no me di eno betu bia lawyer Francis misro ene eden na odi jaye ansa na wako
yo ene de me di beja etie for NSA EU settlement scheme no e da so wo ho pa till June 2021 na se sia de wo mu ni say ye free bibi grace period free implementation period now about grace period you know inti dear me person here for a year awareness say although EU as well channel free movement abana wie you know grace period ne say now before 31st 2020 now over to me a EU settlement scheme be Okuta All-Star permanent residents are now tiadada. Obetumia change ako EU settlement scheme nibi. Yama EU settlement scheme, yama resident permit, and now say yama ye family permit. A fan wabema. Anyway, be EU settlement scheme nibi. Because in China. After June 2021, now you can say, oh, I have failed here, Babe. Hono, I was say will come out with a reasonable grounds. Because yes, the way my mumrano, or make us a yambao, a quanja, ya bode ro, the SCA be a ye. It is a what now, Nyoma Fawasia, or I'm sure you'll be facing the penalty. The bay ya say, Wabet na went me and young bibi. Now, Omagina so, no more dear. You a free cromanomo. Yo, dear Mede Beccache a tier 4, so number 2, and no say, yam way a mobile, coronavirus, a wohopa. And the rate at which a man and homeless so no. I was say, yes, your boy a mobile, send a beya, ye becoswa. I enjoy life. Yo, Manyati mede intia kesiye ni nasiye kesiye free. BWF asyo ye se waso ye mu abedu this stage. That's a net nyankopo de che ya ye be say shia. But ye ma ye nuanum hu say ye nwie ye legal education no. Etna ye wo the community and the law BWF ye website onomo. Program Ebebaso, lawyer Eunice na taking over inti yenye enko train wo hono 4 to 6. Why?
Yo, lawyer Francis me da say. Ye no afena menu be please. Could a question back or the about 20 times please. Benye question bia. No be bisa ne say you can say we why settle status we nya settle status ni bi na onye card no or was say oh yeah and I say we nya we no email na no ayi okay
yo mami change
okay EU passport
okuta EU oh that's good on and can me say me rectify but EU for no say we EU settlement scheme ni bia mo dia no decision no eba in a paper form being an email.
Okay.
But your country will say your card as well.
Right.
Because our passport and now say our corona free so the card, you know. That's enough.
Okay.
So yeah. Why? Inti anya compose you say chinchina we say we card na come. Why?
Me das. Me dem make crisis is here my appointment on to na adwe. Chinchina we
Yeah.
Yes, etie for hana mrebe ma ye ho kwan na ye de adwumedie no aba ewieye. Me sign akai mu biom say opese ukotro B1 ana A1 A2 B1 B2 exams ne bia. Meaning say for immigration purpose normally A1 na say B1 kechire me to me emma a chere kama na ukọ ya nyoma me no be fem nyina no pepepe na ye no be fem to kwa na ye easy amount say opese oye bibisa emre wo ho ekwan da ho bomode ana frame na ye nkasa na nti ne but say uwo enimonimu say wa register ana wako you can say wa apply na ya mount like wait aka for the center no and for the test no na ya mount we forms bi sa forms no say wonsa kan enokra na chese ho no de me mount you can bibi you can say 1-to-1 exactly what you are going to face no that is exactly what I'll give you until kwa obe won say ebeye mre e de amount nti wo ho do say obe frame a me number no 07596620154 frame na yenkasa yo lawyer Francis nyame nhyira o odofo mo ba we ni so nyina nyame nhyira o bye bye next week ye be san Asia me that's yo etiefo ya be wiye na ochna Saturday the 30th of January no BWF Solicitors omo asuye anaso omo website ne so no ye be ye FaceTime no Face Live no ewo ho ye lawyer penin ba kun lawyer Eunice ene oreku frimpon ebe hia o se ne omo ye no Saturday nwumre bia from 4 to 6 solid 2 hours na omo di education no abremo nti no ye free ha no ye mfie mu na se ye da so ebetwen mu ochna enwumre 4 to 6 ewo BWF Solicitors for Facebook intino say ye shase a na me the link ne bremo a na mabomodia na ma share na chese akwachi won say ye nua ba bi ebisa question about say wabaha to almost 2 years or almost 3 years na ne papa ye uni obetumi aboa na sa nsemi say binumu na hia say bibia o say ye share na akwachi sa de we ya gba before 31st ya bo hu sa won say one tenentem because tenentem anka nke ne wa bibisa sa question no enti sa na ye stress we are here for the community enti no say uka ye ho nko adia na ye we are bringing you such programs amombo modern na mon share mon mane nko echire maye betimi a share on Facebook so obetimi a share of YouTube so obetimi a share WhatsApp groups are wo so nyina no share. It's a legal education. It doesn't matter enye sa WhatsApp messages are random messages am faso ni so ni ade na ye share ba we no ebe boa wa boa obi enti mo me yen share me for example o send me bibia before ni so ye last up unless say minim say me send mo bia ebe boa no ba me hu say ya de jenjan it ends on my phone enti me sremo mombo modern na mo extending this program na nkwechi mo amu adwuma na nkene na mbepese me kama sorry for no so but emre ama yenkwa sorry for na mo pese mo invite people to come no emre no enso ye ochina mo betumi afre wa o ni small company small business wo pese wo invite obi free Ghana na ombeye adwuma ma wa akwanja wo ho akwanja sa sika na ye bobo no enye sika himbia mo de nimpako no mo go in terms namu how to arrange it. There are people out there people back home who are willing to pay such money na ombeye dwuma wo akromu ha enti no it's not a big deal cry enye big deal ye better lawyer Francis asi bio ne ada BWF Solicitors for so asi oni omodwuma pa de bibia mo ye edeboa community no ye de adwuma ye no abewie ye nyame ya adomu a next next week same time same place ebeshia na Sunday so nyame madoma manyati omanya ba show ebeba so nsem abekoso na watwe nyina yenya ho so na yabede hu komo kakra nti meda nyina se mante menkem bi manyati ese kram